Jack Carolan, and I am a manufacturing frontline leader with Abbott. My main task during the week would be focusing on quality and compliance so that we're producing the highest quality product every day, every time. And then I support a lot of cross-functional teams as well from an operational perspective. So I would link in a lot with the quality or compliance teams if we have upcoming audits, or the engineering team if we need to schedule maintenance on the manufacturing line, and kind of giving that link between the people on the floor creating the products and the people who help run the rest of the show. Probably the most important skills that I use would be leadership and communication skills. You know, I always say you can have the most technical knowledge on a subject in the world, but it's useless if you're not able to communicate it to other people that you work with. So being able to take the important information that you need to get across and both effectively communicating it to the right people, and then equally having the ability to take the lead on the project and drive it through to make it a success are probably the two most important things. I think the nature of the products that we make in Abbott is kind of what inspires me every day. You know, we're making life-changing technology across a number of different product divisions, and you know, what we make in a plant every day really improves people's lives every day. And in terms of the professional development program, I love the opportunities to change, so we change role every year for 3 years, and I get to have a taste of a lot of different departments, because when I finished my master's degree, I really wasn't sure what area I wanted to work in, but now that I get to sample a lot of different departments, when I finally finish the program, I'll have a much better idea of where I see myself long term. A master's wasn't essential for the program, but for me personally, I found it very beneficial. A component that I really liked about my master's degree was it included an internship part of it, and while internships aren't essential for a lot of jobs, it gave me a lot of relevant experience that I've been able to draw on in my work that I do now. The other benefit as well of the master's was probably the chance to do more classes beyond my engineering. So, you know, as we said, the role takes in a lot of communication, business, and as well as my regular engineering classes, I got to take classes on different business subjects like finances and management. Probably the best advice I could give early on in college is just get involved with all aspects of college. As I said, you know, when you reach a certain point applying for jobs, it's expected that you have the technical knowledge, and it's the skills beyond that they really look for. In my interview for the program, a lot of the questions were really focused on the stuff I had done with societies in college, because it was times that I had shown leadership or had to communicate effectively. And yeah, any opportunity that you can work on communication just really puts you above the rest. I even took a class actually on technical communication in my final semester, and I probably used what I learned in that class more than in any other class that I did in college.